Good morning. The chief guest of this auspicious function of inauguration of NACRAC 2010, Sri A.K. Chakravarti, Program Director, ANSP, DRDL, Hyderabad. Guest of honor, Dr. Rohini Dev Garu, Associate Director, ASL, Hyderabad. Sri K. Jayaraman, Associate Director, CPDC, ASL, Hyderabad. Sri T.M. Naidu Garu, Scientist, ADA, Bangalore, and past Chairman of ISAMPE. Sri D. Chandrasekhar, Director, MSMED Institute, Hyderabad. Dr. A. Selvam, Executive Secretary of FRP Institute and Chief Designer of this program. Sri Bomireddy Sambireddy, President of Fiberglass Industries Association of Hyderabad. My colleagues in the association and the Secretary of this conference, Sri O. Vasudeva Reddy, Secretary, NACRAC 2010, Sri Ramarao Garu, Sri G.V. Rao Garu, distinguished scientists, technologists, engineers, entrepreneurs from composite fraternity, respected, honored and distinguished speakers for the two-day conference, Mr. Habibur Rahman of DK Composites, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, who have come all the way for the conference as invited speaker. Sir, directors and heads of departments from various institutions and organizations, members from the co-organizers, CAFE Bangalore, TIFAC, New Delhi, MSMED, All India Reinforced Plastic Manufacturers, and ISAMPE, Bangalore. My colleagues in the organizing committee and members of Fiberglass Industries Association of Andhra Pradesh. My dear honored delegates, my dear students and members of faculty from various universities, members of press, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening, good morning to you. I am overwhelmed and privileged to stand before you to welcome you to this two-day national conference, NACRAC 2010. Organizing this type of conference by our association is a regular feature year after year since its inception in 2004. With the main objective of disseminating latest development in composites, both in technology, processes, materials, and applications, our association is working for the development of composite industry in Andhra Pradesh. You know, the successfully organized international conference RACMA 2009 last year, exactly a year back, has not only brought all the members of composite fraternity all over the world together to this platform to share their views and experiences, but also given an opportunity to our association to exhibit our ambition to bring more and more awareness in composites by both teachings and learnings. I hope all the delegates of our conferences, seminars, workshops organized by us have cherished the programs and benefited in updating the technology. All our programs are supported generously by various organizations, and this encourages us to take up more and more events every year and year after year. Our other activities and programs of our association will be presented by our president after me. Our organizing committee is not leaving any stone unturned in making this conference a grand success and useful to the participants. We have invited 27 highly learned speakers from all over India and one distinguished speaker from Malaysia to this conference to present their papers in 27 topics during these 2 days. We are also putting all our efforts to make your participation in the event a memorable, purposeful, comfortable and useful one, and see that you carry sweet memories of the event, hospitality-wise, comfort-wise, and above all, carrying the disseminated information on composite technology-wise. The feedback we receive from the participants of our program are always encouraging us to take up more and more such programs with more vigor and enthusiasm. All our efforts are only to develop composite industry worldwide in all the angles, and we have a dream that composites are substituted to replace already deteriorated conventional material in saving the earth and protecting the environment. A.K. Chakrabarti and guests of honor, Dr. Rohini Devi Garu, Sri Jayaraman Garu, Sri T.M. Naidu Garu, Sri D. Chandrasekhar Garu, Dr. A. Selvam, my colleagues on and off the dais, distinguished scientists and participants, and all the delegates. Thank you very much.